Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Techademind. In this video, I am going to explain how to run an Angular application in a custom port instead of the default port. Here, the ngserve command starts the server in default port. You can open the application in the browser by clicking this link. We can change the default port in two ways, by adding the custom port in the ngserve script which starts the server with the port specified. Now I am restarting the server to make the changes take effect. Here you can see the server is listening to the port 8080. Clicking this link will open the Angular application in the browser. I can see the Angular application is working as expected. Now let's try the other way. In angular.json file, under options in serve property, we need to specify the custom port 8080 that will override the default port. Now I am restarting the application and you can see the server starting and listening to the port 8080 by taking the configuration from the angular.json. I am opening the browser and I can see the Angular application is working as expected. That's all guys. If you like this video, please do share, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.